how to customize your home screen on iPhone or iPad. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Did you know that with iOS 18 you can now place apps and widgets exactly where you want them and customize their look to match your wallpaper? And here is how you can do it. So just tap and hold anywhere on your home screen until the app starts to wiggle. And now tap on the edit in the top left corner, and from the drop down menu simply select add widgets, and after that you can browse or search for one. And for this I'm gonna simply tap on Gmail. Now simply tap on add widgets, and here you can resize it by dragging the handle in the lower right corner and move it anywhere. Now you can simply tap on edit again and select customize, and now here you can choose large icon if you prefer bigger apps icon without labels. Now pick a display mode, and here you can see dark, automatic and tinted. Dark is for sleek look, automatic is the one that switches between light and dark based on the times of the day, and tinted lets you to add a custom color to supported apps and widgets. Now select the tinted option, and now tap on the eyedropper tool and drag your finger over the screen to pick a color. And you can use the sliders to adjust brightness and saturation. Now tap outside of the menu once you are done, and that's it. Now you can fully personalize your home screen. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.